Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Vanguard for Valorant. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, by default, Vanguard is automatically installed whenever you play League of Legends, Valorant, or any other Riot games right here. So what you'll do if you're having a problem with regards to Vanguard, okay, you can just go ahead and close the client like so. Make sure that you close it right here under your taskbar as well. Just click on exit. Now go ahead and find on your search bar, add or remove programs. Click on it. Now in here, just go ahead and find under search apps, Vanguard. Like so, click on three dots, hit on uninstall, uninstall. There will be a pop-up, just click on yes. And then here, just click on yes. Okay. Wait for the process to finish. All right, once the process is done, just close this one. Just go ahead and open up your Riot client, like so. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, all right, just go ahead and select any game. From here, as you can see, we now have an update notification. So what you'll do is just click on one. And as you can see, we now have this update button, which you're going to click and wait for the process to finish. And once the update is done, all you need to do is just go ahead and restart your computer, okay? Once done restarting, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.